There is a Surah Al-Hashr's upper line, and the Mohsin Baber from Kuwait read this upper line in Urdu, English, and Arabic languages. Okay, it's in Urdu, 24,
Okay. 24.
and in English, read.
24.
Well done, correct, mashallah. And in Arabic, Arbaatun,
أربعة.
Arbaatun, not Arba'a, Arbaatun
أربع. أربعة
wa Ishrun
وعشرون
ayatan.
آية.
Okay, the second is in Urdu, Unsat.
ونسات.
Okay, okay,
59.
well done, 59. And in Arabic is Tis'atun
تسعة
wa Khamsun.
وخمسون.
And it's in Urdu, Ek So Ek.
101 in English.
Okay, and in Arabic is Wahidun wa Mi'ah.
و- واحد مئة.
Okay, and the in Urdu
Three.
is a number is
Three.
teen, and in English
Uh, three.
3, and in Arabic is Salasu Ruku'atin.
ثلاث ركوعات.
The name of surah is Suratul Hashri
سورة الحشر
Madaniyah.
مدنية.
MashaAllah.